Welcome back to part 2. First, we will create a plane object. Scale it up. We need a floor polygon. Next, at our character, select capsule. Make him a bit taller. Make sure it's above the floor. Add a new script colored movement. Be sure it's added to the capsule. Next, add rigid body component. Link to the code for movement in the description. Just copy and paste. Now let's test. When we move, our player falls. Let's fix it. Go to the rigid body. Under Constraints, freeze X and Z rotation. Let's test it. It works. Drag the main camera onto your capsule on the left. Set the main camera transforms to 0. We are now first person. Drag your main camera up to a position of the character. Now let's add swift movement. Download the Unity package. Import it to our assets. Be sure to import all. Add a component to main camera. Search for mouse look. Drag our capsule object from left to first person component. Let's test. We can now look around with our mouse. Let's let our character connect to the server. Add component. Search for photon view. Also add photon rigid body view. Select Enable Teleport. Disable Sync Velocity. Add Photon Transform View. Create a new folder, name it Resources. Drag the capsule inside. Create an empty, name it Spawn Point. Make sure it is above the floor. Select Room Manager. Drag Spawn Point to the Spawn Point component. Select Room Manager. Drag our capsule to the player component. Rename the capsule to player. Now let's run. Our player should spawn in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for part 3.